Whatever Tirelo she's saying on her prayer is definitely working for her. Anyway, guys, this time when I peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Guys, have you noticed that Tirelo, she's being the lover girl nowadays. Ever since Vuyokasa left that relationship, it seems like Mpumela has learned a lesson. He doesn't want to lose Tirelo, guys. If Tirelo she's not spending time with our Mayeni, she's in the reality show with her man. Mpumela is making sure that Tirelo she's happy. Anyway, guys, so Tirelo posted this on her Instagram account. It's a design bag, guys. It doesn't come cheap. This bag is a very expensive. It's from Coach. It's costing close to 14,000 rand. That's a lot of money, guys. That is someone's salary out there. I ever Tirelo in their happy era, guys. You know, there's one thing I've learned in Tirelo's situation. I used to think that when you're a side chick or maybe in the second girlfriend, sometimes a man will go and look for another girlfriend. You will never be the main chick. You will never be the main chick. You will never replace the main chick position. Ne? But Tirelo's situation taught me that sometimes there's another woman needs to punish this man for a man to love you. I know it does not make sense, guys. So, but ever since Vuyokazi left this relationship, I definitely would tell her she's the queen. I would tell her should thank Vuyokazi. If it wasn't for Vuyokazi's Lobolos celebration, trust me, probably Mpumela will still behaving. The shendi will be all over the social media trending for all the wrong reason. But since Vuyokazi, she got married and she's in a happy marriage, Mpumela is behaving. Yes, you better pray for your ex. I always say this. Pray for your ex-partner to have a best life so that your partner can treat you well. I'm just kidding, guys. Whatever I'm saying, if it doesn't make sense, that it's okay, guys. Just stay single. You know, if Mjola is not for you, guys, please. Being single is peaceful. You don't have drama, Just stay single until you find the right partner. Don't force it, guys, Even if you're a side chick, if it's not working, you can see yourself that you will never be a second wife or you will never be. I will never judge anyone, guys. I don't judge people, those who are side chick, because I've seen people getting married. They were side chick, they do get married, guys. One thing about life does not have a balance. We can all sit here and preach and to never be a side chick. What if God wanted you to be a side chick for you to be a wife? Guys, I will never judge. One thing about social media, I'll never judge anyone. I do understand. I never know what you're going through. But guys, please respect yourself, love yourself. Don't take anything that people are saying on social media. It might not work for you. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment, have